eating a sample of cheese curds here at St. Albert Cheese Store. My parents were talking about it recently and telling my friend that that's where you go because it's so fresh. It actually squeaks. And it's true. Can you hear? It was delicious. So you gotta come here and discover what cheese is really meant to be. I don't mean to be cheesy. Here we are at the Fromagerie St. Albert, and well, I just bought some cheese and cheese curds and a pie over there for my parents. Gonna go visit them later today. But they also have gelato and sorbet. And I asked the girl, I said, wow, are you busy in the winter? Because like it's winter outside. And she said, well, not as busy, but people still come. But you picked a good time to come. So I said, yeah, because sometimes, like in the summer, you've got outdoor lineups. I said, yeah. Sometimes, because I saw there was a sign saying, lineups for soft serve or whatever. So a delicious place to come buy some cheese and then enjoy. We got banana, coconut, and strawberry kiwi. So I guess we should eat it before it melts. Okay. It'll be good though. Okay, we came up to the observation deck, and it's unbelievable. Like, it starts off at stage 1, they say they bring the milk to the silos or whatever, and I guess maybe this is the silos, this is coagulation of cooking of the milk, and then they do the whole thing here where they're making cheese curds, and they're stirring it, and whatever. Oh my gosh, that looks like fun. I want to rake the cheese. Okay, and then we go over here, and my friend pointed out, wow, look at that strong vibrator. I'm like, yeah, that'd be great for like a back massage, get sore muscles. And then, wow, I guess, well, anyways, there's just a lot going on here. It's very exciting, and I want to be one of those people. Look how much fun they're having. Oh my god. Okay, so I gotta, I don't know, who wants to come to see the cheese being made with me? And then we can go eat it, like in the store. Oh my god, this is so perfect. I love it here. Okay, so here's the guy. Just throwing it into plastic things. And is that where the cheese gets... What's going to happen? It's going to come around. Where'd it go? I don't know where it's going, but it's going to wind up in a package somewhere. Oh wait, there it goes. Okay. It stops there, and it gets back. So that's what that thing does. Go vacuum seals, and that's how it gets sealed. And then where does it go? Maybe it's getting thrown down into there. Oh wow, this is too much fun. Welcome to my tour of the St. Albert Cheese Factory. Who wants to come watch this all day with me? That'd be so much fun.